Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. If you've ever been frustrated by your sideloaded apps getting revoked, this guy is exactly what you need. These essential tips will help keep your sideloading experience smooth, safe, and trouble-free. Plus, I'm giving away 10 one-year paid iOS certificates, so make sure to watch until the end to find out how to enter. So let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Keep DNS active, always. One of the most common mistakes. People set their DNS to automatic after installing apps. Don't do that. Keep the custom DNS active at all times, even after installation, to protect your apps from being revoked. Tip number 2. Don't use VPN. It might seem like a good idea, but using VPN can actually interfere with the custom DNS settings required for signers like ESign, Scarlet, or Feather Signer to work correctly. Avoid using VPN to ensure the apps stay properly connected through the necessary DNS. Tip number 3. Stick to one signing method. Don't mix signers. If you're using ESign, don't also use Scarlet or Feather Signer on the same device. Mixing methods increases your risk of getting blacklisted. Stick with one signer only. Tip number 4. Avoid overuse. Installing too many IPAs in a short period can get you revoked. Be smart. Only install what you really need. And don't flood your device with unnecessary apps. Tip number 5. Use airplane mode before launching apps. Before you open any app installed via ESign, Scarlet, or Feather Signer, turn on airplane mode. This helps the app from getting revokes. And what if you're already blacklisted? Here's what you can do. Option 1. Full device reset. A full reset can remove the blacklist, but don't forget to back up your data using iCloud first to keep your photos, contacts, and apps safe. Option 2. Use a paid certificate. Don't want to reset? Then it's time to switch to a paid certificate. And if you need a reliable paid certificate without the stress of random revokes, IOSBoom offers affordable and trusted iOS certificates that keep your sideloading experience smooth and secure. Huge thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Giveaway time. I'm giving away 10 one-year paid certificates courtesy of IOSBoom. Here's how to enter. Follow my backup channel. Subscribe to that channel, like any video. Comment iPhone certificate or iPad certificate to enter. 10 lucky winners will be announced on the 1st of June 2025. Make sure your comment stands out. Good luck! That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the giveaway winner announcement and more sideloading tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.